So if you're watching this video, that means you have a South Shore Gunite pool. Congratulations, but you have a job. Your plaster or pebble is not 100% cured. So your job for the next 14 days is brush your pool twice a day, because otherwise it could be rough and not smooth. So when you brush the pool, you can extend the pool, make it longer, start from the tile and push all the way you can to the main drain. You can do the steps all the way, not scrub, just brush. Twice a day, that's your job. If you do that, I guarantee they're gonna last much longer. So when you're done brushing, doesn't matter what time you would do it. Could be in the morning, afternoon. If you do twice a day, you're in good shape. Besides that, you have to test and adjust the pH daily. So if your pH is high, you need to adjust with the muriatic acid following your instruction that we gave it to you. So do not forget, brush your pool twice a day, test and adjust the pH daily for the 14 days. After 14 days, you will have full instruction. At that day, everything will be done on your pool once a week forever.